Hey, good morning. I know you guys are all super jealous right now. We just got let inside the IKEA here. Still, you can see a little bit of a work in progress, but I'm told that it's coming along really nicely. We're just about an hour out from our progress tour that we're going to get this morning, where we're going to get to see some of those furniture displays they're putting up, those room displays. A lot going on here, so we should be able to see quite a bit today. Now, the last time we were here was back in November, and that's when construction was earlier in its stages. Now, this will be the Swedish furniture giant's second store in Virginia, the first of which was in Northern Virginia. This location is set to be about 331,000 square feet. 250 employees work here. IKEA says they'll be selling about 10,000 products. Now, this space, it'll also include a 450-seat restaurant serving American and Swedish food, including, of course, meatballs. And you're getting a little bit of another live look here. We're moving through the store here near the entrance. They let us in a little bit early, so we're feeling a little bit special today. So we're going to have this tour here coming up. We'll catch up with you a little bit later on WGNT. We're live in Norfolk. Anthony Sabella, News 3.